Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos. But today we're going to unbox the whole Goodiebox Advent Calendar of 2021. So I've unboxed their Advent Calendar 2 years in a row. So this is the third Advent Calendar from Goodiebox. I'm so excited, so we're just going to dive in. I'm going to unbox the whole calendar at once. So this is spoilers deluxe, so if you don't want to see that, you should click on another video. Whew. This is so heavy, so let's start. We received some kind of booklet. This booklet will spoil the product, so we have ingredients and contacts. So I'm not going to read that now, or probably not at all. So this is what it looks like in the box. Let's get it out somehow. This looks almost identical to the last year's Advent Calendar. I have it here in the background. It's a beige box with drawers, and now we have a light purple one with drawers. So we have 3 drawers. Yeah, we move the camera like that. Before I open the first little box, I just want to tell you what Goodiebox is. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. You receive a beauty box monthly with around 5 beauty products, and each year they also launch a advent calendar, beauty advent calendar. If you want to start this subscription, I have an affiliate link in the description box, so you can use that and receive 50% off your first box. I don't get paid or anything, it's just an affiliate link, so I receive goodie points if you use the link, and you receive 50% off, so everyone wins. Okay, in the second drawer we have the first little box, and it's heavy and huge. Okay, drawer number 1. Oh, okay. Humankind body wash, orange spa experience, suitable for sensitive skin, 250 milliliters, and it's vegan. We received products from this brand in our boxes. I think it was like a body balm or something. I'm not sure. You can feel the scent. And it smells just like oranges, so yeah. 99% natural. Huge size. I don't know if they're expensive, not sure, but okay. We're fine with that. Moving on to door number 2. Very small door. I'm gonna try to not talk too much about each product because it's going to be such a long video. And we have a Decure Perfect Base, Raw Hyaluronic Drops. Perfect Base. After cleansing, smooth the serum over face, neck, and décolletage in the morning and or evening. Or mix a few drops with your favorite serum or cream. 10 milliliters. Decure is a very expensive and popular brand. They have good products and I know that people love them, so this will probably be very appreciated. Small size, but it's a serum, so I'm not surprised. Door number 3. Oh, this is a new brand. Algologe. Mask Denute Hydra Replenishing Sleeping Mask. Replenishing sleeping mask. 50 milliliters, so it's a great size. Apply a medium layer at night, at the face, neck, and décolletage. Can also be used as a day mask. Apply a thick layer and leave on for 15 minutes. Oh, so you're supposed to rinse it off, because some sleeping masks you're supposed to leave for the whole night, so okay. I need to read about this one. Also, it's fun to see something new, a new brand. It smells so good in here. Let's hope it's not leaking, okay? Number 4. Marie Stella Maris Care for Water Rock Roses Hand and Body Lotion, 100 milliliters. So it's a really nice size. Also a new brand for me. Let's hope we'll receive some makeup. Door number 5. Ooh. Gabbe N Salooner Exfoliating Towel provides a natural skin exfoliation, soothing your body and soul. Scrub gently to remove impurities, dead skin, and stimulate blood flow for a soft, smooth, and glowing skin. Use it in the shower all over your body. That looks so expensive. I think this is good to use before you apply a fake tan, so you don't get patchy and stuff. We don't want that, girl. We don't want that. Number 6. Eye patches with hyaluronic acid and antioxidants. Depuffs, hydrates, and reduces fine lines. 1 pair, 100% vegan, 0% perfume, allergy certified, developed in Denmark by beauty specialists. If you watched my other Goodiebox unboxing videos, you know that I don't really appreciate face masks and these kinds of products. Not for me, so this is a nah for me, and I would prefer something else, but it's advent calendar. They have to include products that you may not like. So number 7, this is also new for me. Probiotics Balancing Cleanser from Salooner. 100 milliliters. Refreshing water-based face cleanser. Removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I really need cleansers. I run out of them so fast. So this is appreciated, actually. Number 8. Please. No. Is this a face mask? Seriously? Oh, foot mask. Hemp foot peeling mask. Ugh, I hate these masks. I always give them away. Mask Me Up. Popular brand when it comes to masks. I don't know. I don't like them. No. I had so big hopes. I hope we get something better than masks and stuff. 9. Terra de Mars 016 Contour de Eye Contour 50 milliliters. What is this? Maybe it's like an eye serum. Okay, we have to read about that one as well. Number 10. Oh, My Company Beauty. I have no idea how to pronounce their name. I'm sorry. Award-winning tubing mascara, no panda eyes, blah blah blah. Defines the lashes with incredible volume and length without smudging or flaking. Okay, it's black and it's the first makeup product, so that's a good sign. Let's hope we have some more makeup. 11. Ooh, the Emit Cosmetics. So it is a nail polish. Fast drying, long lasting, and professional brush. And we have a beautiful glitter. Perfect for the Christmas. I like that. Number 12. Ooh, I think I already have this. Mario Badescu Skincare with Hazel and Rosewater Toner, 59 milliliters. Why not 60 milliliters? That's ridiculous. I guess it's just a toner. It's not really a huge size, but these are good to take with you on, well, when you're going on a vacation or you're going to travel somewhere. Maybe you're going away for the holidays. This can be good to have in your bag. So we like those sizes as well, even though, of course, we would appreciate full-size products. Next door. Ooh! We have a makeup brush from Nire Beauty. 112 Sculpted Highlights. Oh, I love their brushes. We always receive brushes from this particular brand. I have a bunch of eyeshadow brushes and yeah, they're just amazing. Seriously. This... oh, okay, I die for this, okay? 14. Evoluderm Nourishing Body Scrub. 100 milliliters. You can use that with the towel we received and exfoliate the body in the shower. Always good to have in the shower. 15. Model Company Highlighting Shimmer Whip Champagne. It's the highlighter stick. Or what? Oh, it's a liquid highlighter. I don't like that. I prefer all my products in a powder form. Okay. And I don't like this brand either. I wish they worked with other brands like The Benefit or Urban Decay or MAC or NYX, Maybelline, Too Faced, NARS, anything. Just brands you recognize. I don't like these indie brands, you know. It's too much weird brands and too much skincare products. More makeup, please, and brands we actually want to receive products from. Let's just move on. Some of you probably think I'm rude and ungrateful, but I've paid for this advent calendar by myself and it was very expensive. I'm going to put the price in the description box. So it's not like they're giving me this as a present or for free. If that was the case, I would be grateful no matter what I received, but now I actually paid for all of the products, so I think you have a right to share your opinion. Let's move on. Oh, Moshi Moshi Mind. I recognize their little bags, so let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Cotton pads, maybe? Doesn't say. Wash off your makeup and stuff, and then you can wash these in the washing machine. I'm just guessing, but I'm pretty sure that's it. If you never washed off your makeup with pads made of fabric, you should try it. It's actually very effective and it will go so much faster. Okay, 17. Spot Control. Lue by John Seo. And it looks like it's, well, it probably hasn't leaked, but you would prefer to receive it full, you know? This looks a bit weird. Yeah, apply for 30 seconds on blemishes. For external use only, 7.5 milliliters. Okay, interesting. I don't really have a lot of pimples right now, but definitely have to try this. 18. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, 50 milliliters. A very small size, but this is seriously a very, very expensive, well-known brand. If you like skincare, you probably like their products. You will probably be happy and satisfied about this little adore. Me though, I'm not really interested in skincare, so I'm not really overly excited, but okay, you receive some value, so that's good. 19. Ooh, Echo King Self Tanning Drops, hyaluronic acid. Echo King creates amazing products. I have so many products from them and I always use them up. They're amazing. So this is interesting. Self-tanning drops. I haven't tried that from them. So definitely going to save this for myself. And it's a nice size. Door number 20. And I think this is the biggest box in the whole advent calendar. So what is this? Ooh! A sponge set from Manakatar Beauty. Latex-free beauty sponge creates a flawless finish when used with your favorite face products. Just an amazing beauty tool to have if you like makeup. One of the better doors. 21. Symbiosis London. In-depth detoxifying and oxygenating mask. 50 milliliters. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Allow to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off. Cruelty free. tried their products before as well. 22. Ew, is this a little perfume? Eau de Perfume 5 milliliters. Aether. Okay, I love this bottle. How cute is that? Ooh, it's so small. It's a little roller applicator. Not my scent, I think. 23. Oh, Sandstone eyeshadow 622 rusty double size. Okay, we're going to talk about this in the end. 24. Is this the last door? Yes. Some advent calendars have 25 doors and some 24, so you never know. So the last box. Versa Nourishing Cream with niacinamide 50 milliliters. Yeah, I already have this, I think. What do I think about this advent calendar? Okay, this wasn't worth the money, in my opinion. I wanted to give them a last chance to prove me wrong, but I've been disappointed every year when ordering their advent calendar. I don't like the brands. The one thing I hope for is makeup, and every time I receive makeup, I hope it's from a good brand. There may be 1 or 2 products here that I'm going to say for myself. Yeah, the tanning, so maybe 3 products. And I paid a lot for this, and I'm getting a bit disappointed that they doesn't include things we actually want. I mean, my first box I received from Goodiebox, or the first box I paid for and bought, I received a Benefit, a primer, I received lipstick, a crunchy, and I received primers, and multiple times I received from the Benefit. I received the Hoola bronzer in mini version. In an advent calendar this expensive, I would at least expect a eyeshadow palette, maybe a bronzer or something. I mean, come on, that's what people want to receive. So I'm actually disappointed. If you like skincare products, sure, buy this. For next year, I'm not going to order this. And I also ended my subscription on their boxes. I want to buy something that I want. And right now on the market, there's not a single box that I want. No more boxes for me, and probably no more advent calendars for me from Goodiebox. Unless they change and include other products from other brands, then maybe I would consider it. So yeah, anyhow, that's everything for today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell so you don't miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one. Bye.